Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. This is Mr. TECHFOX and today in this video I'm going to show you how to clear cache and cookies in the Brave browser as of 2025. If this helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, open your Brave browser. So I'm gonna open it. And now click on the three horizontal lines, also known as the menu icon in the top right corner of the browser window. And here a drop-down menu will appear. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. And now in the left-hand sidebar of the Settings page, click on Privacy and Security. Now, under the Privacy and Security section, click on the Clear Browsing Data. Here a new window will pop up. In the pop-up window, you will see three tabs: Basic, Advanced, and On Exit. This option only will appear when you will exit the browser. You can select this option to perform if you wanna exit the browser and want to clear your data every single time. So I'm skipping this option for now. So first of all, we're gonna talk about Basic. So here you can select cookies and other site data, browsing history, cached images and files. And here you can also choose the time range: last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, and even all time. So I'm choosing last hour. And after then, click on this delete data. And this will remove the selected cache and cookies from your browser. On the other hand, if you wanna delete this cache and cookies using this advanced option, you can also choose these options. And it's more versatile. That's it. You have successfully cleared cache and cookies in the Brave browser. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing to this channel. See you in the next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.